Welcome back to the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. My name is Olivia, and I'm happy to guide you through Day 10. Today, we focus on self-compassion, offering yourself the same kindness you would offer a dear friend. Let's begin. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your back straight but relaxed, your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, soften your body. Soften your thoughts. Bring your attention to your heart. Feel its gentle rhythm. This is your home, a space of warmth and care. Now, imagine placing your hand gently on your heart. With each inhale, breathe in kindness. With each exhale, release self-criticism. Self-compassion is not about ignoring your challenges. It's about meeting yourself with understanding and care, just as you would with someone you love. If your mind starts to wander into judgment or doubt, gently bring it back to your breath. Breathe in kindness. Breathe out self-criticism. Take a moment to silently say to yourself, I am worthy of my own care. I deserve compassion. Let these words settle into your heart. Feel the warmth of your own kindness. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Notice the air on your skin, the sounds around you, the steady rhythm of your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Take a final deep breath in and exhale completely. Carry this sense of compassion with you today. Thank you for taking this moment of care. and see you tomorrow for day 11.